Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is understanding apostrophe. An apostrophe is a punctuation mark used in English language. It is a small, raised comma-like mark, usually located above the baseline of the text. Apostrophe has three functions, primarily. Number 1, to indicate contractions, number 2, to indicate possession, and number 3, to indicate plurals of letters, numbers, and symbols. 1. To indicate contractions. Apostrophes are used to indicate where letters have been omitted in contractions. For example, can't for cannot, I'm for I am, or didn't for did not. 2. To indicate possession. Apostrophes are used to indicate possession or ownership of something. For example, the cat's toy, referring to a toy belonging to the cat, or John's car, referring to a car belonging to John. 3. To indicate plurals of letters, numbers, and symbols. The apostrophe is used to form the plurals of lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. For example, mind your P's and Q's, or please cross your T's. We looked at the different functions of apostrophes. Now let's look at some common mistakes people make when using apostrophes. Mistake number 1, using apostrophes to make a word plural. I have 3 apples. Incorrect. I have 3 apples. Correct. Mistake number 2, forgetting to use an apostrophe to indicate possession. The cat's toys are on the floor. Incorrect. The cat's toys are on the floor. Correct. Mistake number 3, using an apostrophe to make a pronoun possessive. It's a beautiful day today. Incorrect. It's a beautiful day today. Correct. Mistake number 4, using an apostrophe with a possessive pronoun. Yours is the best idea I've heard all day. Incorrect. Yours is the best idea I've heard all day. Correct. Mistake number 5, using an apostrophe with plural nouns that do not end in s. The children's toys are on the floor. Incorrect. The children's toys are on the floor. Correct. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.